Hello friends, so in this video I am going to provide the lab for enhanced privacy in your transcriptions with Amazon Transcribe. So let's do one task first to create Amazon S3 bucket to upload an audio file. So in the S3 bucket I have already created the two buckets here, okay, where I have put the audio file. But now I am going to create the new one to show you how you can create the S3 bucket, and just make sure this bucket name should be a unique one in all Amazon platform, right? So I am going to write the ng and the transcription, right? And the number should be 12321, right? It should be a unique one. I hope so. Now I am going to create my bucket. To click on this button, right? And we have the create bucket here. So I am going to just open my bucket which I have just created. Here it is blank right now. So I am going to upload a file, right? So just click on the upload and you will see this page where you have to choose the add folder or add file. So now I am going to select add file and choose the audio file, right? And here, just to be make sure, you have to enable the bucket versioning, right? Now I am just going to be uploaded. So it's going to be uploaded, right? The file has some size, so it's take a few seconds right now. So yeah, it's successfully uploaded. Now I am going to do my next task, which is have to create an Amazon transcription job. So for that I have to search the Transcribe service, right? So I have just clicked here on this service, and in the left pane you can see the transcription job. And in the transcription job I am going to create the transcription job and write the name here, transcription job, right? And if you see, I am not going to update anything except the input data. So I need to specify which audio file I want to transcribe. So I have just selected from my S3 bucket as a input data, right? Output data, it will be handled by it. Now I am going to click on the next, right? Now we have the main part here where we want to discuss, right? Because we need to enhance our privacy here, okay? So for that we have the content removal, and in the content removal I have to select on the PII reductions, right? And you see we have the automatically selected all financial and personal taggings, right? Which is not going to be fetched by the transcriptions job, okay? So, and one more thing, you need to check the include underrated transcribe in the job output, right? Now just going to create a job, okay? So the job is going to take some of the time, maybe seconds or maybe a minute, okay? So I am just waiting to update, right? The status is in progress right now. Oh, status, now it's complete. And if you see in the text box, right, the audio have the bank account number and the routing, right, and the credit card expiry, CVV number. But here you have just enhanced your privacy, and your transcribe service, or I can say transcription job, never take your personal data during the transcribe or translate your audio to text, right? So that's like enhancing privacy of your transcript at the end, I can say. And the most like important point, like Amazon Transcribe can automatically detect the language spoken in your audio files. So this feature called automatic language identification. This can handle audio containing multiple languages and accurate transcribe it, so making it individual tools for global business and multilingual environments. So I think I have done here in this lab. So let's connect with the new lab with the new challenge. So thank you so much.